How to share post to Instagram story. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Instagram. After opening Instagram, log into your account. After you have logged into your account, click on the post you want to share. You will find arrow-like option below post, which is beside comments. Simply click on that arrow and you will find all these options. Scroll to the left side and you'll find Add to Story. Allow access to the media. After that, you can add any caption or any stickers or also any songs you want. After you're done, click on your story located on bottom left and then you're good to go. After that, your post will be shared to your Instagram story. That's how to share post to Instagram story. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I am Sophia signing off. Until next time.